You know, there's been times that I've been welding in the past, and all of a sudden it comes a little bit of a sprinkle or a little bit of a rain. You're almost done, and you can finish that weld without really any damage to the product. But one thing that messes me up, when I get a few drops of water on that welding lens, it distorts everything.
Yeah, that's another frustrating thing is whenever it rains, it does get on the lens. Like if you flip your hood up, and obviously your welding hood's going to be upside down, so the rain's going to get inside of the hood, and then it can mess your weld up if you're trying to weld with a wet lens. But I always usually carry like 3 lenses in my bag just so I can do a swap. I've got pretty frustrated welding in the rain, and I'll just quit welding altogether because sometimes your gloves will get wet and you go to strike up and you get shocked. And so sometimes I just drop down and tell them, hey, let's just hold off till the rain stops, and then we'll pick back up, because sometimes it can be more of a hazard because you're on wet pipes, you're on wet grating, and so it's just better just to let them know, hey, I don't feel safe doing this, or let's hold off for like another 15 minutes and see if it stops.